Hey, I'm Dan Morin with Macworld, and I want to tell you a little bit about 3 features coming in iOS 7 this fall. The first of those is Control Center. If you've ever dug through the Settings app in iPhone to try and find your Bluetooth settings or your Wi-Fi settings or turn on Do Not Disturb, you'll probably have gotten fairly annoyed when you have to dig through 4 levels of menus. Control Center aims to make that go away by, with just a flick of your finger upwards, you can summon a panel that has access to the most commonly needed features. So you can turn off airplane mode, you can turn on and off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can access your brightness, your media playback controls, and a host of other new features. Apple's even rolled in the ability to turn on a flashlight, activating the camera flash, or to summon the calculator or alarms if you need those. It's a good way to get access to all of those commonly used features without having to dig through your folders or go through several pages of setting screens. The second new feature is multitasking. In the past, iPhone users have been able to run certain applications in background, but only for specific tasks. So you could keep a phone call running while you were surfing the web, or you could use a Skype call or a fitness app or something like that. Music streaming can play in the background, for example. But in iOS 7, they've really opened up the floodgates and let you run any app in the background. This means that certain applications like your Twitter client or Facebook or your RSS reader can fetch new content even while you're doing something else. In addition, there's a new interface for moving between apps, a card-like metaphor that replaces the previous list of icons. It means you can quickly see where your apps left off and easily switch back to them at any time. Finally, there's iTunes Radio. It's a new music streaming service that Apple's developed on top of its existing iTunes store. It's a lot like Pandora. You can select an artist or a genre or a song and then build a playlist based on that. You can rate songs as you go along, saying that you'd like to hear more of this type or saying that you'd never like to hear that song again. It's a good way to explore new musical tastes and discover new types of music. Apple's providing lots of built-in stations if you'd rather just find out what's out there. That's just 3 new features of iOS 7. Be sure to check out all our continuing coverage on Macworld.com.